Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Netspend on your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser and go to the URL box at the top. Type in www.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official webpage of Netspend, which looks like this. Netspend is a company with prepaid cards that offers an alternative to checking account debit cards, credit cards, and cash. If you want to log in and get access to your Netspend account right away, click on the login button at the upper right hand corner. In the login area, go ahead and type in your username associated with your Netspend account. Make sure to enter the username that you created while signing up for Netspend. Once you type in your username, go to the next field and type in your password correct as well. Make sure to enter both of your credentials correct to get access to your account without any kind of a problem. If you'd like the system to remember your username so that next time you won't have to type it in again and again since the system will remember it for you, click on this remember username box. But make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in if you are using a public device or a shared device. In case you don't remember your username, click on Forgot Your Username link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password while logging in, click on the password link and you'll be able to reset your password to a new one. Finally, after you are done entering your credential and you're ready to log in, click the login button and that way you'll be able to get access to your Netspend account right away from your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.